What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Topic Nose. So today I've got my Xmax, obviously. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the brake pads on them because these are very low at the moment. I think I had my MOT done and there's about 2 millimeters left in it. So I decided I needed to change it, and then here are the things that I'm going to use today. So I've got the Yamaha brake pads. Got this off eBay. So the cheapest way to get it, but I'll put links in the description like before. And then I didn't have enough money, so I got some EBC organic scooter series for the rears. I might not be able to do this today because I'm going to change the brake fluid as well, and I need another set of hands for that, and hence why this Yamaha brake fluid .4 for the Xmax 300. And then got the brake cleaner to clean out all the mess that the old brake pads has left over, and you got some silicone grease. This is for the pins, the sliding pins, I believe, and then the red rubber grease is to push or to re-grease the pistons back into place. And then I'm pretty sure all we need is a 12mm and a 10mm socket set for it, but I think you need some other things to bleed the brake fluid. Let's get down to it. Also, I'm wearing my slides, so please, if you're cringy of toes, I'm sorry. I don't have any socks and it's quite hot, so yeah, let's get to it. So I think this one's a 12mm, and then you could just literally use that to undo this. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a bigger one of these. There. Yep, that should do it. So that's undone. I'm gonna undo this one too. Yep. Keep these safe. So I'm just going to be careful with this ABS sensor cable. Cool. So this little clip opens up and allows you to free this caliper up. So just a little work of the wiggle room, and voila. Oh, so I don't know how much you guys can see on there, but you can see that that brake pad is so small, so thin. I'm surprised that I even survived riding with that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get that out, give this a good clean, and yeah. Yep, one's out. Oh, yep. There we go. Yeah, that definitely needs a good clean here. And then yeah, these pads should just slip out. This one's here. Yep. Whew. At these pads look like they're pretty worn out, very dirty as well. Gonna give the disc brakes a clean too. Okay, so now that I've cleaned this as much as I can, as much as I want to today, I'm gonna start re-greasing the pistons and then pushing it back into its place so I can push or insert the new brake pads. I'm gonna take them out and then I'm gonna show or see how much thicker the other ones, or these are, compared to the old ones. So that's what they look like. So you can see I'm pretty much to the limit on the old ones, and then I should be ready to go with these new ones here. So yeah, probably not safe to get to this level, but anyway, I'm here changing them now. So let me grease the pistons and then I'll put these inside. And then we're going to try and press this back in. Yep, go. Good. Okay, they look like they're all pressed in. Should be good. Just want a light coverage on there, then this will be good to go. Yep. Go in there and then hook in like that. Yep. Cool. Need to put some grease on this too. Maybe this one's a little bit more generous because of how much it's slightly corroded. Then rotate that around, so this should help the pins slide in properly. The wonders of lube, hey. Okay, cool. So that first one is in. Then I need a second one to loop in as well. I think there's a little clip of spring that just pushes everything forward, so you might need to be pushing the pad up so you can push the clip in and then you can let it go. Yeah, so that's pretty much done. Of course, you need to put the clips back in. Okay, and these go back in. Quite a straightforward job really. Don't need a lot of tools. Brake caliper mount. Yep. Yeah, I think that's good enough for me. Also, I remember reading that you do have to sort of pump the brake pad or pump the brake lever, because now the pistons are all the way back, so it needs to get pushed out to where they are pushing the disc or pushing the pads onto the disc. So if I press it now, it's just gonna pump it all the way out. I didn't record it, but the very first one that I did, the lever went all the way back. So now that the pads are pressed onto the disc, that should be the amount of play that I want, and I can hear it engaging.
Okay, so I did end up changing the brake fluids on the front brakes. I was by myself, so recording it and doing it at the same time just didn't work out too great, so I decided to scrap the footage. I will include the link to RevZilla's video with Ari showing how to bleed the brakes on any motorcycle if that's what you want to learn. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you on the next one. Peace.